video for you guys. I obviously have a video. Today, I do. Hey guys, Ricky here with Apple Valley Farm. Thank y'all for hanging out with me here for a couple of minutes. Man, it is still, it's hot here today. But I wanted to share something with you today. And I wanted to tell you too, a lot of people have been saying, hey Ricky, how come you're not posting? You know, like you used to post stuff every day. So I didn't want to wear you guys out. I felt like I was maybe like posting too much. But when I have something to share, I do want to share it. And today I have something to share. You may remember with my router, I used to use this, and sometimes I still will, to cut holes in the cornhole boards. It's fantastic for that. And I made this little homemade circle cutting jig to cut those holes. And I don't even know how many holes we cut with this, but it works wonderfully. I found out today that I needed it again. So hook this baby up. I need to cut a 32-inch tabletop, and this is perfect for it. So I set me a 16-inch pin, and we're going into 3/4-inch plywood. I've got a straight cut bit here. It's down 1 inch, so I've got plenty of clearance coming out the other side. And I'm going to show you how we do the thing. Here we go. And just like that, bam, there we go. It's done. A perfect circle, pretty clean edges. We'll touch this up a little bit and do our thing. We got a design to put on here. It's gonna be really cool. Anyway, just wanted to show that to you guys. Hey, if you've got any questions for me, give me a shout here. Join us over at www.applevalleyfarmga.com. or check us out, hook up with us on all of your favorite social media sites. We'll be there. I can't think of anything else to say. Thanks a lot for hanging out. I hope you enjoyed this and I hope you learned something. Take care. Have a great day.